Hello students, hope you all are healthy. I Anjali Patel welcome you once again to my class. Let's continue with the chapter Inside Our Earth, and today we'll discuss the exercise of the chapter. So let's begin with the homework questions that I have given you in our last class. So students, let's begin with our first homework question, and our first homework question was, what are the secondary rocks and why are they called so? And the answer is, the sedimentary rocks are called secondary rocks as they are formed from other rocks. They are called secondary rocks. These rocks are soft and porous as they are usually formed underwater. They have wave-like patterns and mud cracks on the surface. Many animals and plants remains were trapped in between these layers. Hence, they are a good source of fossil fuels like petroleum, coal, and natural gas. Sandstone, salt, iron ore, limestone are some examples of sedimentary rocks. Now, our next homework. Next homework question was, mention any 5 importance of rocks. Hope you get the answer. We discussed this topic in our last class. So the answer is, importance of rocks are, the rocks are composed of various minerals. These minerals are copper, bauxite, iron, etc. Rocks are a source of precious stones and gems such as diamond, metals like gold, silver, platinum, etc. Next one, soil is made from rocks and process is called weathering. Many chemical and physical processes break the rocks into tiny pieces. Now, the next one is, the soil is turned into bricks used for construction. Rocks are used as raw material in industries also. Now, our next homework question was, how are metamorphic rocks formed? And the answer is, the word metamorphic comes from the Greek word metamorphose, which means change of form. Some rocks within the lithosphere experience some changes because of the high pressure or high temperature or both. These rocks are called metamorphic rocks. They can be formed from either igneous rocks or sedimentary rocks. The minerals present in these igneous and sedimentary rocks also change their composition under extreme pressure and temperature. Now, our next and last homework question was, what is the rock cycle? Write in brief about it. And the answer is, the igneous rocks, which are the primary rocks, are formed when from magma. This magma from inside the earth cools below or on the surface of the earth. The igneous rocks are exposed to weather and are broken or eroded and deposited to other places, and sedimentary rocks are formed. These sedimentary rocks experience further high pressure and temperature and turn into metamorphic rocks. When these metamorphic rocks are trapped deep below the earth's surface, they are turned into magma. This magma comes out from the inside of the earth and igneous rock are formed. This forms a cycle called rock cycle. Now, our next we'll discuss, students, the exercise. I have given you in our last class exercise also. So let's discuss the answers of exercise. First, we'll start with fill in the blanks. Now, the igneous rocks are of dash types. So hope you remember how many types of igneous rocks are there. So igneous rocks are of two types, extrusive and intrusive. Now the next one is, dash is the outermost layer of the earth And the answer is, which one is the outermost layer? Hope you remember that crust is the outermost layer of the earth. Next, stratified rocks is another name of sedimentary rocks. Next, the mantle is divided into dash and dash mantle. So, mantle is divided into two parts, upper and lower mantle. Dash are rocks that are formed by slow cooling of magma. And the answer is igneous. Igneous are rocks that are formed by slow cooling of magma. Now, the next one is write T if the statement is true and F if the statement is false. And the answer is, the crust of the earth contains aluminium. True. Yes, the crust of the earth contains aluminium and nickel. So the next one is, the extrusive igneous rocks are formed on the surface of the earth. True. Yes. Next, metamorphic rocks are formed from igneous and sedimentary rocks. True. Now next, the crust is broken into 26 parts, out of which 6 are major and 20 are minor. This is also true. The sun plays no important role in rock cycle. So if you remember rock cycle, sun plays very important role in erosion and in breaking down of rocks. So this one is false. Now take the correct. First, as we go down beneath the surface of the earth, the density increases. The answer is first, increases. Now the next one is, which layer of earth has the highest temperature? So if you remember, core is divided into two parts, and inner core is the layer of earth has highest temperature. Earth is made up of CMa, Cl, knife. So it is made up of knife, Ni, nickel, Fe, ferrous. Now, fossils are found in which type of rocks? So fossils are found in sedimentary rocks. Answer is sedimentary. Rocks are naturally existing masses. The answer is minerals. Yes. So rocks are naturally existing masses of minerals. So students, here we finished all our exercise also. Now you have to complete your question answers. So do your question answers properly, read the chapter and learn important terms and write down the important terms also. So students, we'll continue our next chapter of civics, that is working of government. So students, will continue this chapter in next class. Till then, stay safe. Thank you.